Hey y'all, hey, hope all is well with you. I am Leslie. You seen me before. If not, you seeing me today. Alright, so I got a bundle of fabric. And if you followed me before, you probably sitting up there saying, why are you buying fabric? Because I don't know. I see something cute and I want it and I buy it. Ain't that what we do when we see bags, purses, clothes? My thing is fabric. So I wanted to do a bundle. And normally I'm not going to tell you the company I'm getting it from and the company I got it from. But normally when I purchase something from this particular company, I have no problems. I've done the bundles before and have been pleased with what I've gotten. It's usually on point. Everything's together. But this time, this is more of beware if you're not ready. Don't get mad about it. This is probably more so me venting than being completely mad. But I've already contacted them, so they know it. Okay. So it was a 10-yard bundle, $20. So that means it's only $2 a yard. So even when I've done that before, I've gotten really decent put together fabrics. This one, I guess somebody was being funny, playing a joke on me or whatever. I'm quite unsure. So this particular bundle is heavily for children. Y'all see me? Yeah, I got grandkids. But I wasn't planning to make nothing for them out of this bundle. But guess what? They're going to have to get something. Because pretty much none of the bundles for me. Alright, so the first thing I got was Dora the Explorer. Now, they got it listed as one price, but I think it was supposed to be a curtain. And they tore it right here. The salvage just torn off. And somebody measured it the opposite direction. So they measured it going this way instead of measuring it down the salvage edge. I see the salvage edge, so I know where the salvage is. You run it this way. So they measured it the wrong way. So they counted as if I had more than what I'm having. That was the first issue. Normally that doesn't happen. Then it's very wrinkled. I usually don't get wrinkled fabric. So I was like, why? So I'm Dora the Explorer. Luckily, it's big enough piece that I can do something with it. But it doesn't even feel like the greatest of fabrics. It may be a play outfit, play something, whatever. But my grandkids like characters. So I will probably have to wash it first. See if it softens up. Hopefully it does. If not, I don't know. I think it'll soften up over time. Because it has some cotton in it. This one is a kid version, but I actually like this one, but it's just too busy for me. It's got rabbits on it. So this is perfect for one of the grandkids. It's a great feel, this one. This one's on point. This as far as the feel of the fabric, but not necessarily the bundle for me. Okay? We got that. This one was measured right. I did get some red lining. I got plenty of lining, but it's red. I could use it. That's a piece I could use. This one is, I think it's a terry. It kind of got a terry vibe to it, a terry cloth kind of vibe to it. But it has cards all over it. Yeah. Terry cloth. So I really can't do nothing with this. I can't. I'll figure out what to do with it. I don't know. Now this one, I actually liked it when I seen it in the bag. But once I pulled it out, I wasn't pleased with the fact that it looked like it had been balled up in a corner of the store for 10 years. because even the color is not vibrant. It's not even, it's just completely wrinkled. And it's obvious it either was cut off or it just was the last of the roll. It's extremely jagged. The other end looked cut, but jaggedly cut. So this video is mainly just to say, when you purchase bundles, unless it gives a lot more specific about the bundle, like maybe all knits, or you're getting this color family, or you're getting all silks, or if it's not specific, you're taking a chance on purchasing material that you may not use. I may not use none but 2 of these pieces. If I get something decent out of it, I guess it won't be bad, because this material right here I actually do like, but I'm gonna have to wash it, definitely. So hopefully it doesn't ruin it, but I'm gonna wash it first to see what it does, instead of spending time to make something and then turn around and be mad about. That's backwards. So we're gonna go ahead and wash it, see what it does, and see if it turns out. Now, will I buy a bundle again from them? If they do it where it's a little bit more specific. This bundle just said 10 yards. It didn't tell a color family. It didn't give you a color family. Is not a big issue for me. Like, it would be nice if one bundle was woven or one bundle was knits, so that you get more of what you're more likely to use. So then I probably wouldn't have ended up with so many heavily children. And then probably I would say a good thing for them to do is maybe say something that's got for children. Because when you purchase fabric, your goal is to use it, is to make something out of it. Well, you can't if you have no children around. If they send you all children kind of based stuff. It's not all children, but I say half of what I got is for children. I'm gonna probably make me a cute little sweater like dress or something that I have to wear cami or something underneath, or just make me one of my Bella tops, which is a crisscross top, which would be good for me, especially what I do on the side, and it would work perfectly with a pair of leggings that I got, jean leggings. So I'm gonna, long as it comes out all right after I wash it, that's what I'm gonna do. So this is, if you don't mind, if you want to take a gamble, take a gamble. If you're a person who gambles, it probably won't bother you. But if you are a person who is very particular, beware of bundles. I suggest you not do them if you ain't ready for what can happen. I can make something out of this stuff. I can give it to my grandkids. It's not that I can't, but that wasn't my mental intent. So that's what I say about that. It was only 10 yards. It could have been way more. Luckily, it was only 10 yards, and I probably wouldn't do anything else. Now, just remember this, like I said, the main thing about this one is beware. If you are not a person who is ready for what is it called? A monkey wrench. Don't pick up a bundle from some of these places. This is not the first time I've gotten this situation, and this is not the only company. It has happened before. But the goal of most of the bundles are they're trying to get rid of stuff that they can't or struggling to sell. That's what a bundle is. So, buyer beware. I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. Y'all have a good one. Thank you for watching. Catch you all the next time. Deuces.